The 2024 Hyundai i20 hybrid facelift is a compelling entry in the subcompact hatchback market, offering a blend of style, technology, and efficiency. The exterior design is fresh and modern, featuring a new grille, sleeker headlights, and Z-shaped LED taillights. These updates not only make the car more visually appealing but also align it with Hyundai's current design language. The bumpers have been redesigned to offer a more integrated look, adding to the car's overall aesthetic appeal. Inside, the car doesn't disappoint either. The interior has been revamped with high-quality materials and a more horizontal dashboard layout, which gives a sense of spaciousness. The larger touchscreen infotainment system is a welcome addition, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The redesigned seats offer better support and comfort, making long drives less taxing. The availability of new trim options allows buyers to customize the interior according to their taste, making each i20 hybrid unique. When it comes to technology, the 2024 Hyundai i20 is well equipped. The standard 4.2-inch LCD instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read, while the optional 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster offers even more information at a glance. The USB-C port is a nod to modern connectivity needs, and the wireless charging pad adds a touch of convenience. These features make the i20 not just a car for today, but also for the future. Under the hood, the 1-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system provides a good balance of performance and efficiency. Depending on the trim level, the engine can produce either 100 or 120 horsepower. The mild hybrid system aids in improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious buyers. Fuel efficiency is one of the standout features of this car. With an expected combined fuel consumption rating of up to 60 mpg in Europe, the i20 hybrid is set to be one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. This makes it an excellent choice for city driving, where stop-and-go traffic usually takes a toll on fuel economy. The mild hybrid system's ability to regenerate energy during braking further enhances its efficiency in urban settings. Standard features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring are crucial for city driving, where the risk of minor accidents is higher. Optional features like adaptive cruise control and rear cross traffic alert provide an additional layer of safety, making the i20 one of the safer cars in its segment. The 2024 Hyundai i20 facelift offers a complete package for anyone looking for a subcompact hatchback. With its modern design, updated interior, cutting-edge technology, efficient powertrain, and a focus on safety, it ticks all the right boxes. It is expected to be priced competitively, making it an attractive option for those who want a stylish, efficient, and safe car for city driving. Whether you're concerned about fuel efficiency, safety, or just want a car that feels modern and up-to-date, the i20 hybrid is worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.